Hello student, in this class we learn 3ds Max interface. For this video I am using 21st version of 3ds Max. If you are using any other version, your screen may be little bit different but almost same. In the top row it called menus. Different menus are available here, same as other softwares. And in the second row it's called toolbar, and most common tools are available here like undo, redo, linking, selection, transformation tools, snapping tools, and these are other material and rendering related tools. In the third row, it's called ribbon. By clicking on this button, you can expand this. In this ribbon, modeling related tools are available here. And the main important tool is populate. By using populate, you can create some animated characters in your scene. I collapse this by clicking on this button. In the left side, it's called viewport layout tab. By clicking on this arrow button, you can choose different viewport layouts like this, and you can change viewport like this. So you can change viewport layout by using viewport layout tab. I change to default again. In the right side of this viewport layout tab, it's called Scene Explorer. If you create any object in the viewport, that object also listed in the Scene Explorer, and by using Scene Explorer you can hide any object or select or deselect like this. 3ds Max has 4 different viewports, and the viewport name is mentioned on the top left side like this, and these are other tools. By clicking on these, different flyout will expand here. We will discuss about these tools in the later classes. But the important tool is maximize viewport button. By clicking on Alt W, you can maximize any active viewport. Active viewports is highlighted with the golden yellow color. If prospective viewport is active viewport, when you press Alt W, it will maximize like this, or when you press again, it will minimize. You can also maximize minimize active viewport by clicking on this button, maximize viewport toggle. By clicking on W, you can also maximize minimize. In the bottom side, it's called time slider. It's used for animation purpose. These are other animation playing buttons and camera related tools also available here. In the right side, it's command panel, and it's a main important panel in 3ds Max. Different geometries available here, and you can also choose shapes, lights, camera, and other helping tools from this panel. And its modify button, you can modify your geometry, or and if you want to modify the parameters of geometry and lights, camera, you can click on this modify button, and these are other helping buttons. We will discuss about these tools in the later classes. You can zoom in, zoom out your viewport by rolling scroll wheel like this. For orbit rotation, press Alt and middle mouse and then move left or right like this for orbit rotation. So these are main important navigational tools. If you like this class, please subscribe my channel or like this video, and we will meet in the next class.